Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Top secret word should extend secret word. Its constructor must call the superclass constructor with super word so that the original word is stored correctly. In the overwritten transform word method, first, call super.transform word to get the scrambled version of the word. Let len be the length of that scrambled string and mid be len divided by 2. If len is even, the first half is replaced by blank, so the result is scrambled.scrambled.substring.mid. If len is odd, the second half includes the extra character, so keep the first half only and append. This matches the scrambled.substring 0, mid. This matches the examples. For an odd length word such as pixelated, length 9, the first 4 characters of the scrambled string are kept, and the remaining. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.